Discover the elegance of Cabanatuan. What we'll discuss: brief history, significant people and heroes, geography, culture. Our history. The name Cabanatuan is suggestive of the character of its people and the nature of the locality. It may be derived from Hiligaynon word Kabatuhan, meaning full of stone or bato, from Batuan, meaning against, contrary or opposite, to resist, oppose, challenge, defy, fight, or contest. Some old folks believe that the name was derived from Batuan, a tree whose sour fruits are used in seasoning vegetables and other foods which formerly abound in the locality. According to the records of the National Historical Commission under Chairman Esteban A. D. Ocampo of Metro Manila, the municipality of Cabanatuan was founded in the year 1732 and placed in the peak of Pamulugan. It was initially planned by Tono, whose statue stands opposite of the municipal building. He was formerly a town leader, along with other leaders, Gomok and Amihan. Significant people and heroes. Tomas Confessor, politician and guerrilla leader in Panay during the Japanese occupation. Before World War II, he occupied various positions in the government, such as representative to the Philippine Assembly, delegate to the 1934 Constitutional Convention, and governor of Iloilo. When the war broke out, he organized the guerrilla movement in Panay and Romblon. He was elected senator after the war. Francisca Cabañas, philanthropist and heroine of the revolution against Spain and in the Philippine-American War. She was given a water cure, a torture where gallons of water was pumped into her mouth by the Americans to force her to confess on her role in the revolution and other information about the revolutionaries. Felipe Landa Jocano, an authority in his field, and his name has become synonymous to credibility. He is the first Filipino doctor of philosophy in anthropology and a 1965 10 Outstanding Young Men TOYM awardee. He is currently Professor Emeritus at the Asian Center of University of the Philippines. He earned his doctorate in social anthropology from the University of Chicago in 1963. Honorable Elizalde G. Puello, Municipal Mayor 2022-2025. He is responsible for supervising all programs, projects, services, and activities of the municipal government, enforcing all laws and ordinances related to governance of the municipality and the exercise of its corporate powers, maximizing resources and revenue generation, and ensuring the delivery of basic service and the provision of adequate facilities. Honorable Ronelo O. Caspe, Municipal Vice Mayor. He was born on November 21, 1968 and was former Municipal Mayor of Cabanatuan for 9 years. In majority says he is an active leader and man of his words. Sangguniang Bayan members: Honorable Patrick Anthony C. Tobias, Honorable Reynalyn M. Chavez, Honorable Noemi G. Caballero Luan, Honorable Rizal D.J. Nolasco, Honorable Jacinto O. Parcon, Honorable Rufina G. Galindo, Honorable Lovin C. Leiso, Honorable Fe V. Tobias, Honorable Roel H. Tamorete, Liga ng mga Barangay President, Honorable Jelani M. Bourbon, SKMF President, Committee on Youth Affairs and Sports Development. Geography. Throughout the Second World War, Cabanatuan formally became the final cover of Western Visayas in position to the Japanese forces, which led to the destruction of most of its structures. It is geographically located at 10 degrees 52 minutes and 47 north and at 122 degrees 29 minutes 7 seconds east. Cabanatuan is politically subdivided into 68 barangays. Each barangay consists of poroks and some have sitios. As you can see in the map, Cabanatuan lies at the heart of the island of Panay. It is come 24 kilometers away from Iloilo City, located on the west-central part of the province of Iloilo. It is bounded on the north by the municipality of Aniway, on the east of Maasin, on the northwest of Santa Barbara, in Lucena, on the south of in the south Alimujan and San Miguel. All the aforementioned towns, with the exception of Alimujan, are directly connected with roads from Cabatuan accessibility. Jeepney station fare, 30 pesos from Iloilo Terminal. Culture. The town celebrates three main holidays: the Cabatuan Town Fiesta on September 10, as well as the Tinoong Festival that culminates the Town Fiesta in strictly observed Lenten procession during Holy Week. San Nicolas of Tolentino Parish Church is a neoclassical architectural style. The first parochial church was finished in 1732, same year when it became an independent parish known to be one of the most beautiful churches in Iloilo. During its time, it was described as the model of temples by L. Eco de Panay and the largest brick structure in Western Visayas. Cabatuan Public Cemetery. Cabatuan Roman Catholic Cemetery in Barangay Banggit is a 4-hectare perfectly square-shaped cemetery constructed in 1886 under the supervision of Father Manuel Gutierrez in 1890. With elegant iron grills, its walls and chapel were made of stones quarried from the mountains in Leon. The center chapel is Roman Baroque architecture and a burial place of dominant Cabatuananons. Balik Hill. Balik Hill is about 1.5 kilometers away from the poblacion, situated in the northeastern part of the town. This Mount Calvary of the town is the site of the Way of the Cross Via Crucis, held every Good Friday of the Holy Week and participated in by thousands of Roman Catholics in town and from other places. Pamulugan Hill Shrine. Pamulugan Hill Shrine in Barangay Pamulugan is popular especially during the Holy Week. It is said that when Spanish authorities set foot in the town, they planted a olive cross on the hill. What remained of the cross is a piece of wood almost 2 feet in the height with the date 1732 inscribed. The hill overlooks the poblacion of Cabatuan and the new Iloilo International Airport. Iloilo International Airport. The location of new Iloilo International Airport in Cabatuan is meant to operate for Iloilo City and the whole province. The new Iloilo International Airport is sited in Barangay Gaob, Duyan-Duyan, Manguna, and Tering, Cabatuan. It is accessible from Iloilo City through the Santa Barbara Road. Tinoom Festival. It was held every September. Tinoom Festival depicts the development of the chickens through move steps. The members wear ensembles fundamentally made of plumes of chickens and parts of the banana. The storyline introduced amid the execution rotates around events amid which the tinoom might be served. Tinoom dish. Tinoom is a local delicacy of Cabatuan, Iloilo. The delicacy is set up by enclosing by banana leaves the blend of fixings, for example, half parts of local chicken, tomatoes, onions, water, and lemongrass. The blend enveloped by banana leaves tied at the tip is then steamed for a few minutes until the point when the chicken meat ends up delicate.